Welcome to cooking channel. I'm Shtu. Let's make amazing waffles together. So this is all we need for this recipe. We need 1 cup of milk, small one normal big cup of white all-purpose flour. This is salt. We will take just a little bit. You will need 1 egg, nice and smiley. Take 1/4 of pack, normal classic pack of butter, and we will need just half spoon of sugar. And I will link in the description of this video recipe, so you can double it if you want more waffles. Sift your flour to the bowl. Add baking powder, small pinch of salt, add vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, and now let's add normal sugar. I take brown one. Add 65 grams of sugar. Mix everything. Put butter in microwave and melt it. 1 egg. Butter. And milk. It's better to take everything room temperature. And now mix everything really well. You can do it with your hands. Now put a little bit of oil to this silicone form. Better to use special form for waffles. In this case, your waffles will be very beautiful with pattern. But you can just take any silicone form you have. So prepare everything. Now put your dough to the silicone form and fill it with dough, but not fully, just left some free space. And now put it to the oven for 15 minutes. Flip it over and then put timer again for another 15 minutes. After you flip it, put 2 metal underlying, or just like that, and put again to the oven. So our waffles ready. Let them cool for a while and let's eat them. You can add your favorite syrup, honey, or whatever you like.